Okay, so all I need is this spatula and this pan. It's already hot, so on like that. You can use butter. I use the cooking spray. Do whatever, just make sure your eggs are whisked up. I put cinnamon in mine if you're wondering what the color is. Empty it out. That's what I mean with the paintbrush. Alright, let it sit for like 5, 4, 3, 2. Alright, you tilt, swirl it around. Tilt on this side, swirl it around again. And this is pretty much what you're going to do the whole way. Then we do it again, throw it off. Now this is also how I make omelets, but you can see like I can start folding it, but since we're not making omelets, this is how I then scramble it. And I get big chunks. Flip it around a little more. Cook out any of the wetness. Sometimes I like eating that, but not today. Then find a plate. You put it on any plate you want, like a plate you'd want to eat off of is really the big deal. And then, yeah. Scrambled eggs. Mmm, with cinnamon.